We started as a limited company in 2014, specialising in initially water service repair, replacement, leak detection, and as time's gone on we moved away from what we call the clean water side to the foul side, more drainage and sewerage, deep excavation and general civil works really. Anything to do with civil engineering we sort of get involved in. The key aspects of reflow that really drew me to it at the beginning was the fleet management aspect, vehicle defects. And what I found with reflow is the guys have it and they can fill it out, take pictures of the defect, and it comes straight through to the desktop. It gets flagged up to myself and I can just see it instantly. And it's all recorded there and I can see when it's been resolved and I can actually see the defect. It saves massive amounts of time.
Today the lads on site are digging around some HV cables down in the verges behind us. The reflow app for me is fairly easy and straightforward to use, makes our life a lot easier and quicker on site. We're looking forward as a company to start using reflow more as an app because it's so easy to do site risk assessments, vehicle defects, anything that we may need is on that app ready to go.
Using Form Builder was first shown to me when we had a meeting at Reflow. The more you get into it and the more you use it, it became very intuitive as to the different functionality, whether you wanted to put an open text or pictures or snapshots of data, whether it be invoices or receipts, whether it's a case of here's a new form, so when this happens, take the picture, record it this way, record it that way, send it in to us. The more I used it, the easier it became. So the auditability increases has really come from me interrogating invoices and delivery notes from suppliers. Being able to double check and review has given us approximately 75% increase in auditability and a surety that the invoices which we're receiving from our suppliers are paid correctly.
I would recommend the Reflow app to infrastructure and civils companies and stuff because it just ticks all the boxes with the compliance of all our CDM regs and stuff on site, and just everything that we do on paperwork really is there on the app ready to go and just makes life easier.
Yeah, I'd recommend Reflow. I think because of the flexibility of help that it can give you. It's not there to beat you up if you haven't done something, and it will do what you need it to do. You've got support on the end of a phone or an email to help you along.
I kind of consider it now like a hub for the business. My plan going forward, we're still in our infancy really with utilising Reflow, but my plan is to have that being a key central feature of the running of the whole company. Every single aspect. So it's not just focusing on job packs or vehicle checks or any one thing, it does the whole thing.